CodeRush is a productivity tool for Visual Studio that basically allows you to create code very quickly and a bunch of other things really, but creating code quickly is one of the interesting things. I can show you right there.
Sure.
So if I want to create some classes, for instance, I already have some classes, but somewhere down here, right? I just use templates to create that code quickly, so I can do a class like that, and I'm going to call it a customer perhaps, and introduce properties for the customer as well. So he's got a name. Oh, what happened there? Now it suddenly jumped around. Oh, there we go. We're back. And I can use advanced templates like the constructor creation, for instance, that allow me to initialize fields automatically in there as well. So that's our templating system. It also supports more advanced things like I could go and create myself a new dictionary, for instance, a generic type that is typed for a string. Actually, let me do like that. And for a customer as well, and expand that thing, and there you go. So that just saved me a lot of time. So that's basically what the templating system of CodeRush does. There's a lot of other stuff in there, like these little icons that sit in code and allow you to do things just by clicking on them, or flow control icons as well. So let's see, I don't really have, oh, there's one. So if I've got maybe a if falls in here, and I'm going to throw a new exception of some description. Oh, not that one though. Exception. That was the idea. There's a flow control icon right behind here that says, "All right, did you see the little arrow going there? This is where the flow basically continues if that point should be hit, right?
Really sexy.
And I can also click on it and just jump down to that location directly.
Great.
So that's the type of stuff that's in CodeRush, which allows you to understand your code better, perhaps, and to create code more quickly as well.
Great.
Modify code as well, because we've got these fancy selection things here. I can just mark up logical blocks of my code and copy and paste easily. So if I don't need that using statement anymore, for instance, I just go Control X right there on the using statement, and it works with the whole block automatically instead of me having to mark it up manually first of all. And
that's great.
Yeah, so be a much faster developer. That's what the idea is. That's why we call it CodeRush.
Okay, great.
There's a free version of it available, so download CodeRush Express right from our website.
It's great for students because they don't have a lot of money.
Yeah, sure.
Great.
I also heard you had free controls. Also,
we have some free controls as well. Well, we used to have some actually. We had CDs here where free licenses were on, but I can probably give you something anyway. So we should.
Do you have something like students' custom subscriptions, or?
No, not really. We don't have general, cheap versions for students sort of things.
Why not?
If you're a student, well, because we like to be a little more specific than that. If you have an interesting project and you would like to use our controls to implement it, get back to us, tell us about it, and we might just give you a license to do it. And we might even want you to write something about it, and we publish it on our website, that sort of thing. So, that's what I mean. We don't just give it away like that to everybody and do with it what you like. But if you do something interesting with our stuff, then we're well prepared to help you do that.
Okay, great.